Hello. Okay. So, yes, you've all seen the vid, a wheel the size my AJ activities. You've seen it. This is part 2 of it, but this time with my voice since part 1 didn't have my voice. Okay, let's start. Intro. Activity number 1. Flex. Oh, okay. Oh, so flex. I think. So I'm just gonna say, hopefully I don't get reported, bruh. Yeah. I'm the rarest person in the whole universe. Yo, I'm the rarest person in the whole universe. No one can beat me. No one can beat me. Wait, am I supposed to say rarest or coolest? Oh, that's why I said rarest. Oh, someone reacted. Yes. I should say it. It's... No. I am rare. I am rare person ever. I am rare. I'm rarest person ever. Yes, rarest or forest. What? Someone with a blackout could. Oh man, no. No, what? No. No! No! It's my DJ's word force. No! Ah! Oh wow. Okay. Lol. Sorry. It's for a video. XD. I'm joking. I am not the rarest person. I'm joking, I am not the rarest person. Or am I? Or am I? Okay, next. Next activity, what? Oh, wow. Get 3 stars and roll. Oh, okay. So, what was the activity? Oh yeah, get 3 stars and roll. Get 3 stars and roll. Does everyone know what roll is? It's literally what everyone says the hardest game in Animal Jam. Hard. It's just filled with hardness. Oh wow, okay, what level am I? Here we go. Okay, 3 stars. 3 stars. I am hoping for 3 stars. Three stars. Is the game even possible? Come on. How long is it gonna take? I give up. It's too much. Oh no. I failed the roll. I never even got even 1 star. I just kept on failing and failing. Make a... no, thank you. Okay, make a Starry Night fit. Sure, I can make a Starry Night fit. Easy. I can make a Starry Night fit. Oh, Oh, you want me to recycle? Okay. So, Starry Night. Do I mean the set? Or do I mean the Starry Night set? Like, I can do the Starry Night set. Yeah, I'm gonna do the Starry Night set, I guess. Let's see. This is already cute, but I think I'm gonna fit check. Here we go. With my membership. Hopefully I don't post this video first. Okay.
See, look how nice this is, how useful it is. Literally, it's the most useful thing ever. There we go.
Okay, now I'm just gonna match some colors. Easy. Wait a minute. I feel like this should be like a white or something. Oh, never mind. Like, what color should this be? Like, I don't want it all like, I don't want it like a twinkle. Yeah, and then, oh wait, no, never mind. This is, and then like a yellow over here. This gold. Okay, and then stars. And I'm gonna do blue for the star. No, this blue. No. This blue looks nice. This is hard making a Starry Night fit. No one knows. Okay. Actually, this, I need like starry. What is a star? Oh, this is nice. This is nice. Okay, wait. Okay. Okay, this is a nice, I just feel like blue. There we go. This is a good outfit. Who jagged? Okay, here's the Starry Night fit, which I don't know if I meant the set. Dressed as a cake. I just made my Starry Night fit. What? Okay. It's okay. I'll just dress as a cake. So what is cake? I want like a chocolate cake thing. So I'm gonna dress brownish. Just chocolatey. The star. So chocolate and pink. Pink sprinkles. That's what I want. So these are my colors. I still need to make it nice. So I'm still gonna keep this white. And then how about I need like a chocolate sprinkle thingy. Like a, I don't know. Oh wait, this is bad. I thought that would look like icing. Do I have anything that looks like chocolate? Do I have anything? Wait, rose. Wait, I have an idea for the rose earmuffs. Wait, this looks nice. Wait, I have a very idea for the rose earmuffs. Like, there we go. Let me make it like this. You see? Oh, this looks kind of bad. Wait, never mind. I'm skipping until the outfit's done. Goodbye, people. This doesn't actually look like a cake. This is weird. Like, I just went on the names, literally. Like, this is just called, where is it? This does not look like a cake. And you just gave up. But I ended up using the rose earmuffs. See, this is just called candy necklace. I'm just going on the name. And then the wings are just called gingerbread wings. I was just going on the names. But the earmuffs are the only ones that look kind of cute on it. Oh, yeah. But what? And then I just gave up here. Nocturnal moth armband. But I didn't even check. Oh, wait. These look like the icing things. But that doesn't match. Okay. Ah, man. The colors are nice. Is it? Spinny activity wheel thing. Eat? Yes. Eat? That's juicy. Let me see what I can eat. I want to eat this. This is a life size. Here, this is the real size. Eat? Let me eat. Yummy. Yummy. Okay, that's easy. Spin a special wheel for viewer. Spin a special wheel for viewer. You can either comment, share, like, subscribe. Like! Alright, you gotta do that! Okay. So, the video ends. Since there is still a lot of things to do in the wheel, I'm just gonna end it as a cliffhanger. So, bye. Wait, no. Okay, bye. Okay, goodbye.